Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my WeBull accounts, which right now it is valued at $2,196. Now, I did put some money into it, so the new value once the funds settle will be $2,325. Now, as you can see, our max history here started at, looks like, as low as $2, okay? And over time I've been able to dramatically increase it and grow it to what it is now. Daily P&L was $53, and I'm pretty sure that was today. The yesterday was $30, and as you can see, I'm having some good green days overall compared to red days. P&L percent for the year currently is 52%, which is amazing. It looks like I started off just a little bit, kind of like a slingshot that's going back. I kind of went all the way back and then just kind of catapulted up to the top, seeing gains as high as 88%, and then it going down to where we are now at 52%. So what have I done with this account, and what are some of the things that you can do to get some good performance stocks in your portfolio? Now, as you can see, some of my top stocks I'm holding is Gladstone Capital, which I'm up actually $34 on only 11 shares, which is amazing. That's a 35% return on this company in just a matter of, I'd say a year, but it's really not a year. As you can see, I didn't start trading till January. So within the last 6 months, 5 months, been able to make that much off of there. Apple REIT Hospitality, I'm up $31. APTS or apartments, I'm up 16. AGNC investments, I'm up 13. Realty income up 8. NRZ or new residential, I'm up $5.50. And as you can see, there is a trend here. A lot of these companies, especially the ones that I invest in, are REITs or real estate investment trusts. Now, these stocks or companies have to pay 90% of their profits to their shareholders, and that's why I'm able to make some good profits and some gains off of these companies here. Also, we are at a good position now to where we are able to make some of those gains back. As you can see, we are definitely in a deficit this past month, back at $1,929. This was due to Vine and a few other companies that were kind of low. But a great tip here, if you're watching, is to buy the companies when they are on a dip. Obviously, that's easier said than done, but if you look into some of my recent transactions, I have actually bought some more positions in the real estate investment trusts, as well as been able to receive some dividends from some of these specific dividends, which is just awesome. Like, look at all these dividends right here. 430 April 30th, 72 cents, $2, 19 cents, 60 cents. This is in May 11th, 3 cents, 45 cents. So definitely getting some money through dividends. As far as account performance, we're up about 7% for the month, which results in 120% return for the year, which is just incredible. Some of the dividends I've got this past month are right here by LTC, Gladstone Corp, Pfizer, which honestly on this one I bought it low, waited for the dividend payout, then waited for it to go up, made a profit on buying and selling it, and then made a profit on the dividend yield itself. So total I made about $4 to $5 on Pfizer, because I believe I had 6 shares if I am not mistaken. And yeah, that was pretty cool just to do for fun. Realty income, I got about a quarter. Whitestone REIT, Apple Hospitality, in Enterprise Products, Banco Santander, and AGNC Investments. I got dividends from all of them within the last 30 days, which is just awesome. Came out to $4.71 in total dividends. I'm up $150 in my overall profits and losses statement for the month, which is just fantastic for not really doing much with it. As you can see, there's some top stocks here that have over $46 in P&L, Workhorse 33, and Novio Pharmaceuticals at $17. And these are small gains, guys, but what's amazing is it adds up over time. Now, a big tip that you can use to incorporate some of the stuff that I am talking about would be, let's go over here. A good example, let's go to Glad. Okay, and for all of you guys who are watching, I thank you for your patience. But basically what we want is a company. Let's look at the 3-month chart. Okay, bear with me here for a second. 1-year chart. I'm not really liking that. Well, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so right here, post, pandemic or whatever, in February, it was right around, $10.50, right? So of course, many stocks right now are going to be cheaper at this time because of the pandemic. But for all of those who are looking to make quick money, there are still gains to be made. And having bought at this low period would have been great, but as a result, as you can see, I did not. Now, so I'm not showing you gains from, buying when this pandemic happened and just floating up, but I've actually bought at a $8.73 mark. And again, this was back in like January or so when I kind of started trading. I've been averaging up as I go, right? So what you can do is say this period right here, you want to buy the dips. So you don't really necessarily want to buy here, but what you want to do is you want to put it in your watch list. So now that you're watching this video, you might not have heard of Glad, but now you did. So put it in your watch list. You're at $11.87. If it were to pull back to say $11, that'd be a good discount, right? So at this point at $11, you're like, okay, I added it to my list. I'm going to buy low at like the $10.20 mark, $10.40 mark, and then I'm going to ride it up. That's how you can make some quick money. Buy 100 shares down here for $10.30, sell it for, $11.30 or $11.50. You make $1 to $1.30, $1.50 on per share. Make $100 in a matter of, let's see, 5/13. Say you bought it on the 13th and you sold it on the 8th, a little bit less than a month, but you have 13% gains. Those 13% gains can result in quite a bit of money, especially if you buy down here and you add more positions as you go up and then sell at the high point. Now that it's at the high point, you wait for it to sell off and go back down to a lower amount, which you then buy and create more income and wealth as it goes up again. You could also average down while not selling any positions, or sell half your positions at a high point and then just let the rest ride out, buying at low points. But that's kind of how I've been doing it for my account, and that's how I've been able to grow it significantly even over the last month, from $1,900 to $2,196, which is a pretty good significant amount of money that we was able to do, resulting in $53 today and $30 yesterday. If you guys like videos like this and you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and remember to comment below some of those things that you thought were useful in this video and what I can do to improve on future videos. Thank you for your support and have a great day.